Sending animated GIFs like this through iMessage to your friends is really easy. The location of the buttons have changed a bit for iOS 26, so I want to make a quick video showing you the new spots to find these things. So the animated GIFs are kind of the same as they always have been, but now to get there, we have to tap this little plus icon, scroll down a bit, and tap on hashtag images. This will open the GIF search. I search for The Simpsons there, as you can see. You can search for anything you want. I search for skiing as well. You can search for Christmas. It's going to bring up tons and tons of animated GIFs that you can use. And just tap on them, adds it to your chat. You can add a little message here, something like "so funny!" exclamation mark, and send it. And now it's going to send your message and the GIF to your messaging partner. Super easy, as you can see. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to set any song as the ringtone for your iPhone. Super simple to do, and it's fast. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.